If you want to know why Thomas Jefferson loved this area of Virginia, look at these views of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Look at the pastures. In fact, you have an opportunity to get a rustic farmhouse on 328 acres. The house has been extensively renovated. It's spacious, perfect for entertaining guests. With 328 acres and a beautiful main house like this, you can live a life that's as isolated and quiet as you want, but you can also entertain guests here. It's the dream of rural living right here in Virginia. As you can see, the house has multiple rooms that you can use as sitting rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, whatever kind of accommodations will suit you and the people you want to bring here. And take a look at these views all around the home. The guest house also has incredible views. A quaint, restored log cabin that creates the perfect atmosphere for relaxing. You're going to have a 36 by 48 foot 3-stall horse barn. It includes 4 paddocks, 2 run-in sheds, 2 riding rings, riding trails, and post and plank fencing. You also have about 70 acres of fenced pasture. And with 328 acres, there are all kinds of vistas. You'll have 2 streams, hay fields, pasture suitable for cattle. And of course, you're not very far from where Thomas Jefferson had one of his homes. It's a very historic area with the Jefferson Trail on the eastern boundary of this property. And as we take off and go exploring, there is the Piney River. It's famous for trout fishing, and it runs right next to the Virginia Blue Ridge Railway Trail about a mile along the frontage of this property. And the Virginia Blue Ridge Railway Trail features a nearby covered bridge. With everything here and everything you can do to it, this would be ideal for your private residence, a retreat. You could put a bed and breakfast here, a vineyard and a winery, a boarding stable, an event venue, or even a VRBO or Airbnb. Whatever you want, it's large enough and beautiful enough to become your dream of rural living.